Rob Rachmaninoff.
YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Down1914 here to bring you another sneaker review. So today I'm not going to waste any time because we got to unbox the shoe, get into the review, and do the on foot. I think I'm going to do a little lace swap as well as they come with extra laces. But you can tell from the title of the video and the pictures that we're going to review the Air Jordan 4 Ma Maniere, built for this homecoming, dark mocha. So real quick, new to the channel, welcome. If you want to fits and kicks, you in the right place. All my OGs and first timers, welcome back to the channel. So without further ado, let's get into this unboxing, review, and on foot. And yeah, I got this pair straight from the Ma Maniere site. And I wish I would have waited for the sneakers app, but then again, I don't know because they all sold out on the sneakers app quickly. So as the time I'm making this video, Sunday, I believe it's December 28th, I believe, or let me see. December 28th, there are pairs available still on Ma Maniere's site. So, you know, you just gotta be mindful of that $16 shipping that will come with it as well. So, let's go ahead and take the box out. Let me see here. I think this is my Ma Maniere receipt. Yeah, from North Carolina. Gotcha. All right, cool. $225 is what I paid for this. Shipping is $16, so the total came to $241. All right, cool. That's enough of the receipt. Let's grab the box out. Cool. All right, throw that to the side. Receipt in there. Let's get into the kicks, man. Eager to see these in hand. So we got this all out, blacked out Ma Maniere box, blacked out Jordan Man, Jumpman on the lid. And it says Ma Maniere underneath. Nothing else is on the sides or anything like that. So on the bottom half, you have these Ma Maniere A's all indented into the fabric of the box. Got that little circle hole, and here is the size and label. Hopefully that's coming in clear. It reads Air Jordan 4 OG SP, which is special project AMM Ma Maniere dark mocha bronze eclipse. Size 10.5, true to size of my Jordan 4s, 10.5. If you open the lid, a couple things you'll get that this, to me, I keep saying it looks like a compass, but it's A and C little stamp right here. And then on the inside you have a picture. I forget the artist's name, but a lot of people were calling this like Malcolm X, but what I believe it is, I think it's a young man at a Malcolm X rally or speech, and I think that's the picture that he drew. So that's pretty cool artwork right there. I could be wrong, but let me know in the comment section if I got that right. But that's what I think I read and heard. Clear paper, kind of sale paper, has Ma Maniere all over it. Actually, no Jumpman, but it does have the Ma Maniere's A's all over it. The shoes will come individually wrapped. Let's take them both out first. Let's see what else we got inside the box. Just in case later on down the road you get it off the secondary market, but like I said, they're available right now on Ma Maniere's site. So you do get another like stamp right here, or you know, compass looking stamp. Then you get the white and green sticker. And make sure, if you can look closely, there's lines going through the sticker. So make sure that's, you know, within your box. And then here's the bottom. You got Ma Maniere and Jordan branding on the bottom of the box. Nice and sturdy box too, not flimsy. So take heed to that. And well, let's go ahead and take the paper off before we put the box up. Cool. All right, so nice. And here are the shoes. All right, cool. My first time ever seeing them in hand, so I give you my first impression before we hop right into the review. Okay. All right, nice. Put that on this box. Stuff that in there. Yeah. All right, cool. So let me let's get a first look here myself. Okay. Yeah, nice new buck suede. Yeah, very smooth, very smooth. Okay. Hang tag. Nice. They gave us the old school hang tag too. That's pretty dope. All right, cool. So without further ado, let's get into the Air Jordan 4 Ma Maniere, built for this homecoming dark mocha. So the Ma Maniere and Jordan brand present Built for This Homecoming, a chapter rooted in reflection, gratitude, and earned acknowledgement. The moment honors the journey, the weight of the work, and the stories that shaped it. Homecoming reframes celebrations not as an escape, but as a truth revealed. Every step meant something, every sacrifice left its mark. The work mattered, and now the feeling is the proof. The Ma Maniere and Air Jordan 4 Dark Mocha is a refined expression of craftsmanship. Dark Mocha Nubuck brings richness and depth, while tunnel hardware and reworked wings and netting creates a clean architectural feel. Visible air cushioning keeps the silhouette grounded in the comfort, and the signature quilted lining adds a final layer of sophistication true to the Ma Maniere design ethos. All right, so that was a little description of the shoe and the meaning behind it. So let's go ahead and hop into the review. I'm gonna start with the right shoe because the left shoe has the hang tag on it. So on the outsole, you get that, and I'm gonna say this is like that mauve color right here. That's on the forefoot right here, going through the midsole. You got a black Nike, and on the toe cap and the heel, I don't know if they want to call that bronze eclipse, or is this right here the bronze eclipse, but this looks like that color that they normally, that mauve color that they normally put on their silhouettes. But I'm gonna just say this is like a burgundy right here, and this is like that mauve with the black Nike on the outsole. Move it up to the midsole. You got that color right here as well, that mauve color that wraps all the way around the midsole, starting from here. And then you have like that, it's darker than a sail. It's almost like a cream, but it has almost like a, I guess, a bronze tint to it. So that's wrapping around right here, the medial side and lateral side. You got a clear air bubble, and it looks like you got like a sail air unit inside the air bubble. Moving up to the upper, you got an all dark mocha upper. The whole upper is dark mocha in that nice suede, smooth nubuck. And let me see if there's a little bit of change of direction, not much, but it's the materials are very nice, I will say that. Moving into the upper wings, you got that dark mocha wing, and again on the waffle holders right here, it's that mauve color. Inside the netting, you have black netting, and inside you have that mauve color again, and you have the small A's for Ma Maniere, if you can see that. So that's a nice touch, and that's in the front right here before you get to the toe box as well. It does the same thing. Black semi-wax laces, does come with an extra spare of laces. That's in the color. That's on the midsole, and that's on the back on that Nike Air. And that's nice, man. I like how that pops against that black tag. That's pretty dope. The Jumpman, you got like that burgundy Jumpman. You got Flight underneath in that same color that's on the heel, Nike Air, and on the midsole. Black tab. And the tongue is the overall, like that nubuck suede that's on the whole upper of the shoe. Fire, man. These are nice, man. Yeah, even in hand, they're even better. And on the back of the tongue, it reads Ma Maniere in black. On the back of the tongue, I don't know if you're gonna see that. Let me try to bring it closer. And then you have the quilted sock liner that's on the back of the tongue, and you have it within the shoe. Let me bring this out a little bit. And you have it in the shoe now. The quilted on the back is like that burgundy color, but the inside and the quilt that's on the sock liner is black. So you can see that it's all black that wraps around, and it's thinner than your normal standard Jordan sock liner as well. That's fire. See, it does come with shoe paper, and you have a black Ma Maniere insole with the sizing tag right there underneath. On the left shoe, number one thing, of course, you got the hang tag, old school Nike Air hang tag, Nike Air. See here, black laces as well. See, shoe paper, the insole, nothing different. Everything looks the same except on the tongue. You got the A for Ma Maniere, and you got Flight underneath versus the Jumpman on this one with the Flight. And then on the back of the tongue on the left pair, it says Air Jordan in that black. And that's the differences between the two shoes. And you do get a extra pair of laces. And these laces, if you can see the color, these laces match the midsole right here, and it matches the Nike Air in the back as well. And I think that's how I'm gonna rock my pair. I will show you how they look on feet with the black laces, of course, but I think I'm going to rock mine with the other laces because I think it's going to give it more of a pop, and it's going to look better overall with the fit I got on as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it, man. That's pretty much the review. I don't want to keep you much longer. I do want to hop into the on foot because I definitely want to throw these on feet. And you know, comment in the comment section down below. How do you feel about this pair? Like again, I said, they're available still on Ma Manière site in multiple sizes. If you're looking to grab a pair, just be aware of the shipping costs and things of that nature. But if I was you, you know, I would definitely grab them now. This is a Jordan 4 and it's very nice. It's one of those Jordan 4s that I think down the line people will regret sleeping on, and I almost slept on this pair, and I'm glad I didn't at this point. Now that I have them in hand, I'm kind of glad. You know, I don't have any brown or mocha color type of silhouettes in a Jordan 4 in my collection, so I think this one's here to stay. I'm glad to have, because I have a lot of brown and mocha like type gear that I need to wear with 4s, and I don't want to wear my Travis Scotts all the time and wear those out. So yeah, these will come in handy in that regard. So man, stay tuned to more videos. I got more videos coming, and of course I got my top 10 for 2025 coming, so stay tuned for that. I'm excited to drop that video. I will be dropping that video next week, right before New Year's. And hope everyone had a great Christmas. And comment down in the comment section down below if you know what shoes did, if you got shoes for Christmas, what were they? What did the fam hook you up with? My daughter got me a pair of the Travis Scott T-Rex Chase B's. So once they come in, they get authenticated, things of that nature. I will have that review for you, so I'm excited about those. Shout out to my daughter for those. I appreciate you, little homie. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into this on foot. So I appreciate if you watch until the end of the video. Thank you for all the support throughout 2025. Like, comment, subscribe, share the channel. We're gonna hop into this on foot. And until the next video, I'm out.
Dying one.
Rock. Rock Maniere.
I know. The way I'm dipping steps so fresh, they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold, it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie, call me Stanley. Can't walk a mile off in my shoes if you can't stand me. So exclusive, this only for friends and family. We up on sneaks and they so geek, we high on fashion. What's up, what's happening? I'm extra fresh out the package, shipping and handling. Life in 4D, I'm an OG like Jordan 03, yeah. It's getting OC, the fashion on me, they tryna clone me, yeah. Shot the DE for the 3P, I'm like Kobe, yeah. The passion feed me, yeah. I know you see me, yeah. Done one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done. I'm done one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done.